Alright, what's going on, guys? So we're back for another quick installation. Today we're going to be doing the Akasaka Fog Light Trim. Basically the eyelash trim for the fog lights, some people may call it. So we're going to be installing it on the fog light area. So I actually wanted to do the Yofer fog light trims, but then I realized that when I was about to buy it was the Yofer fog light trims was only for the 2021 and up models for the Accord. So I decided to stick with the Akasaka since that's the only one that's available. Alright, so before we start the installation, I just want to give a quick shout out to GA08GT and Alejandro for commenting on my videos and keeping up with the views. I really appreciate it. Any little thing helps. And then I just want to give a quick update on my past videos. So the Type R emblem is still there on the front, and then the one on the steering wheel still connected, still on there pretty good. And then we got the one on the back. Still hanging on pretty good too. And then what else was there? We got the fog lights. So I stuck with the putting on and leaving on the smoke 20% smoke tint vinyl on both of them. What else was there? I think that's about it. So let's just start with the installation. I'm gonna go clean it real quick with alcohol and water and wipe it down real quick. And then we're gonna wipe it down dry, and then I think it comes with one of those adhesive promotions. We're gonna wipe it down and then install the fog light trim. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull these tabs out a little bit. Place it on the side so I'm able to line them up.